Crafting Vicky here with you, and yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess because I'm making something for you guys to put in my Etsy store, something that I thought would be fun and would be fun for me to make and would help me use up my stuff. And just, you know, I think we all need some happy, so I'm making happy mail envelopes. So it's gonna be in an envelope like this. They're really chunky. But they do pass the test of being able to be mailed. I checked that out, and I kept it so that the shipping would not be horrendous. So they will be, the shipping for them is, Canada is $2, USA is $3.50, and international, unfortunately, it's more expensive, it's $6.50. And then you've got all that's included in this little Happy Mail envelope, and they're going to be $6 each in the store. So basically, what does it include? So let's pull it one out, and I'm only going to do 20 of these initially, and then if there's a lot of demand, then I might keep some in stock all the time. I don't know, I will see. It's going to depend on the stuff that I've got, obviously. So I'm using a file folder to protect, just so that it mails out more easily. So that's one thing. It includes 6 tickets. It includes, let's move these out of the way. It includes 6 miscellaneous little book pages from dictionaries. Then there are 5 miscellaneous Project Life cards, the smaller size, the one that's like the size of what can I say, a bit bigger than a playing card. It's going to include a card from me, but it's definitely not going to be this one. It could be some other ones. It probably will be a smaller one, but I haven't made the cards yet, so that will be coming. But I'll make some cards, and that means that I will have some fun cards to make. Then it includes a little pack like this. It's a recycled envelope that I've closed off with some staples and washi tape, and inside of this there's 10 little flowers like these. They're tiny little things, so tiny, oops, super tiny little flowers like that. There's 10 of those. It's so tiny you can't even. So little flowers like that, there's 10 of them. Then there's 2 flowers like this. If I run out of these, I'm gonna use other ones that are similar. There's 2 flowers like these, which are bigger. There's 4 charms, so a little angel, a little helicopter, and those 2 will change based on what I have. A little purse and a little shoe. What else is in there? There's 2 leaves. The leaves are like this, embellishment. Then there is there's 2 resin embellishment. So in this one I included this and a little hat. It was a little mushroom and a little hat, but it could be some other resin embellishment. So there's 2 of those. So that's in this little package. Then there's a little card with 4 buttons, 2 old ones and then 2 fun ones, and they're all going to be different because I don't have a ton of the same things. It includes a card with 3 types of ribbons, so 2 ribbons plus a lace, and that too is going to vary because obviously I don't have a ton of the same one. going through the stash, so it's going to be whatever I have. And then it's going to include a little stick with some washi tape. This one has 4, but basically the little stick is going to be filled to here of the different washi. So if it's a thicker one, it might be 3, but that's what it's going to include. So that makes up this little very chunky monkey of a little envelope, and I will be creating them and mailing them out, and I hope that you guys will like this. I thought it was a fun way of sending some happy mail and at the same time use up some of my stash and just have fun creating these for you. I like making stuff like this, so, and it's kind of unique. So yeah, if you're interested, go and check out my Etsy store. The link is going to be down in the description box below. Like I said, if I see that they're going out really fast, then I will make some more and take it from there. It's not like I'm running out of stash. I've got plenty to share and to, you know, just create little stuff like this. Also, I've been destashing. There's a bunch of stamps that I've destashed. Most of them are brand new. They're all stamps that I totally loved, which is why I didn't destash them initially, and way back when I destashed a bunch of things. These I had kept for myself. So they're a good price since they're new. They're a really good price, but they're not at a price, you know, like I want to recoup a little bit of my money, and so I'm not, you know, letting them go super, like, incredibly cheap. I'm just giving them with a really good price, like I said, considering the fact that they're most of them are all new, and some of them are from exclusive subscriptions, so you can't get them through regular store, and they're mostly things that are probably retired by now, and they're things that if I don't sell them, honestly, I'll keep them. But I just thought if I could make a little bit of room, it would be good. So go and check it out. I'm gonna continue putting up new things as I'm going through my stuff, because I'm trying to think of the fact that I need to move all my craft upstairs, and so in order to do that, if I can let go of some items, it's gonna help me with that move. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this, and I will see you guys in a card video tomorrow. That was a sneak peek of the cards that we're going to be making. So love you guys. See you soon. Bye.